Hello everyone, welcome back to the workshop. So in this video I want to take and highlight a little tool in my shop that is a great time saver. This is a metal hole punch. It's just kind of like you've heard the brand probably before, a Roper Whitney hole punch or something of that nature. Sometimes they do throatless shears and stuff like that. But this little punch here, you can find this online under what I had found it as is a metal hole punch set. Look up for a metal hole punch set for steel. Now you can find that on Amazon. I believe there's a few units on eBay as well. I'll put some links, those are Amazon affiliate links, down in the description down below of the ones that I found. An Amazon affiliate link means I get a small commission for sending you to their website or their platform if you choose to buy something through that link at no additional cost to you. So be sure to check those links. It's a great way to take and support this channel and the content that we produce here. So some of the advantages to having this is if you're going to be doing anything, say like copper roses, or you're going to be doing anything like what you see here. Now obviously this is just regular roses. You're going to do a bunch of flowers or things in your business, any sort of ornamental work. It is a really great investment and it's a great value to have yourself a hole punch set like this. John Switzer over at Black Bear Forge, he did a video. I'll link that in the description down below, and at the end of this video he did a video on his shear setup or his punch setup that he has, and I like that quite a lot, is that he has several of them permanently mounted in one spot where all he's got to do is his common size holes that he uses, he just goes right over there and punch and punch. And so it goes very quickly. I'll go ahead and demonstrate that a little bit now, but it goes very quickly. The hole punching process, just a few seconds, happens in a snap. So it's a really great investment to have instead of having to use an old, a drill bit, which is a lot slower. And on copper, things like that, it can get quite grabby. But yeah, great little tool. I just wanted to highlight that to you real quick, just in case you have never seen something like this before. It's definitely worth the investment that it costs. It's a cheap investment and it will really increase your productivity when it comes to any sort of type of sheet metal work. Now you might be saying to yourself, well, that's kind of a useless tool for me. I don't really get into a whole lot of sheet metal work, but there's always things where you might make up a tool tray at some point, or you need to repair, or you need to do some rivet work and some plate material. Or some sheet metal, you might have to do some rivet work, and one of these will really save your back end on those jobs, especially if you're doing this as a living. Any sort of little tool that has some functionality like this can be a great cost savings to you, not only in your labor rate, but getting the job done a little quicker, so you can focus on the things that matter versus doing the things that don't, which is just the monotonous tasks of punching holes or drilling them. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like. Go check out John Switzer's channel down there in the description, or that'll be coming up on the screen here shortly. Go check out his videos. By all means, check out some other videos on the channel and share them around if you found this helpful. And as always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.